He wants me to do this part. I don't know how, so some take this off. What's up, Rasa? Back at it again. You can see the Boricua is the only one in the driveway. We've been tasked with something very specific today by my man. He had to go run to Home Depot. He's gonna go buy some wood, but he told me and Lexi we have to clean the shop. And that is because he's gonna put sound systems in there. So we need to clean the shop for him to work. I still don't have my fender flare, have not fixed the cable on my battery, power steering, still haven't fixed any of that, so. He bought this really big board. He's gonna build a box for the subs. Some screws, sawzall pieces, I think. I don't know. Glue, this thing, and then the brains of the operation. Apparently, I'm gonna be trusted to try and do this on my own, at least until he can help me. So the first thing he said is I gotta take a wire that he's gonna give me and I have to run it through the firewall into like the driver's seat area.
I need you guys to go on a mission. Buy an amplifier kit. It's gonna look like this in a box. It's gonna look like this little thing, but it's gonna have the RCA. It's gonna be like this, red. It's gonna have a black.
The missions here never stop, guys. It's a mission every single time. We made it back from our mission. I don't know if you can hear me. There's a lot going on. Let's go check on my man.
Basically what I'm doing, I'm just cutting this box so I can make it narrow. That way it can fit in the back of the seat of the truck.
I was given another task, another mission, and it was to clean my truck. But honestly, I think that more than anything, he just wants me out of his face. First, this bag is not actually garbage. Me and Lexi went to 7-Eleven. Lexi wanted to go. We have 2 Snickers, coconut Red Bull. 7-Eleven sells these packs of cookies like this. My biggest issue right now is actually the dirtiness of the floors. It's not mine. And my seats, because not only are they dirty, but I left the sunroof open the other day overnight and a bunch of stuff got inside. So look at my cup holder, it gets all the dirt from outside, but I know mostly he just needs it to be clean for the space back here. I'm done with this. Now we got the cable zip tied and fed through that hole right there. So now he told me he wants me to do this part. I don't know how, so some take this off. I actually don't know how to do this. I don't know if you're supposed to fish it through here and it adapts to this, but then what is this for? I don't want to ask him. Hello? I'm confuzzled in this facility. Before he comes over here, I'm gonna make a guess. I think that I put the wire or the cable through here like that, and then it adapts to this. Don't understand what this other thing is for on the other side. I know that one side has to connect to the battery. Oh, what the heck? Oh, it came through. Adam. This is the cable that's loose, and the reason that my truck won't start sometimes until I jiggle it. If we sandwich this down in between, there you go. Good job.
call me Bucky, lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How about rapping?
On this one, we have to take this out.
How you from the hood, but still gon' go legitimate? How you
Take these off. Take these 2 wires.
the women, he's the rolling, it's another. He just got the windows tinted. Homie stabbed me in the back, and that can never be forgiven. My mind's been.
I need you to wrap this in black.
So we need to wrap this, the material that's like, what is it, your flooring, your floor mat? Wrap it like a present?
No, just wrap the outside of it, not the back part of it. Wrap to the sides too.
When I get high, clock still ballin' like Brock. Yeah, I'm headed to the Bucks, then I'm ballin' like yeah. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brock. When I get high.
So you're gonna run this,
Fish it through.
hide it, and run it through here.
Yeah.
Keep going. I'm gonna let you do that. But it has to go to this is a battery one. Tuck it right here.
Oh,
You're gonna go up and you're gonna go where the battery.
12-volt battery. So that one.
This one goes to the remote.
We need to tuck all of these cables. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. It's very much tight. Very much tight. On the F. Oh, son of a fucking bitch. Oh, I got it. Piece of shit. Oh, you jerk. Got him. Got it. Oh my god. He said this goes to the ground.
Use this one because it's thicker.
It needs to go all the way in there, not just touch the sides, right?
It can't. That wire can't look like a cone. It's just gotta be nicely twisted.
Did I mess it up? I think so, huh? Okay, everything's fine now. Let me show you how my amp is looking. He has to build me a box now. He has one for Lexi. He's got to duplicate that for mine. Did my best to hide some wires over here. Very much dirty. We're very much sweating over here. I finally plugged in the wires to the back of my faceplate dash. I don't know. Anyways, I plugged it into this, but now I need to hide all of these wires and tuck them. Lord. I guess we're not going to be filming this. I couldn't record it, but you get the idea. First test, speaker number 1. He wasn't sure about that one working. He said that when he took it out of the box, there was a cable that was unplugged, so he wasn't sure. So we were hopeful, but maybe not.
It's not.
It's not feeding to it. At first, mine wasn't working either. Like the amps would turn on, but no music would come out the speaker. I was telling him that over here, when we plugged in the speaker, he told me put one here, one here. He said it goes positive, negative, positive, negative. I was like, dude, the negative's at the bottom. So I don't know how the math is mathing, but we changed it, and so the speaker does work. We're doing that on Lexi's truck, swapping the wires, positive, negative. Hopefully that should fix the problem with hers too, or else he said she needs a new amp. Test number 2 for Lexi. Oh, see, that was the problem. I'm smartness. Hopefully later he's like, you were right. It's been several hours, but we are officially in the last leg of this installation. Only thing is that now he has to actually create the box for my speaker. The one that Lexi had already had, he already had a box, so he just had to cut it down to size. And now he's got to actually create one. So we're almost done.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets. Just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that doing. Then she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole. I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa.
There we go.
Say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah. I'm back in that. Where you going? Hey, back in that bag again. To run me around your friends. That I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook. No, I ain't adding them. Positions I had her in. Hit from the back. That was splattering. Call her a friend. Tell her pull up. Word. Let's make it a gathering. They loving that baby. Nah, I'm matic now, but she loving the splash again. I just be cashing in her buns, just like a wedding. I'm crashing in.
What's up, raza? So basically, we're working on some audio today, and we try to do it with Muñeca's truck. But that amp that I put in there, I just keep blowing my subs. That's what ended up happening with her. We filled her a box and everything, and she turned it up, and it just blew. I didn't turn down the amp, so it just blew it. So now, back to the drawing board, we're gonna have to chop around for a sub for her, because everything's already pre-wired. So it's just figuring out the sub situation, because that amp is just too strong and keeps burning everything that I got. We're gonna be shopping for a new sub, and Boricua's truck is gonna have a system. But as far as the cat eye, it sounded nice. Stay tuned, raza, for the other stuff that we're gonna be doing to these trucks, because we gotta lower the backs on both of them and a bunch of other stuff. So with that being said, raza, stay tuned, and please don't forget to like, follow, and everything that you guys need to do to get this channel up and running, man. So with that being said, al rato.